how to share your Spotify Wrapped 2022 on your Instagram story. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So normally when you open up Spotify, you should get a pop-up for the Spotify Wrapped, or if not, it should be right here. Now, if that is not the case, then you can either update your app or you can simply restart your phone. And that actually worked for me because at first it didn't show up for me as well. But then you can basically go to the Spotify Wrapped, and basically all of these stories you can actually share. But I'm going to go to the last one and share this one real quick. So then you can select a color and then just click on share. And then here you have all of these platforms. And you can simply click on Instagram stories. And there you go. So now you can add it to your Instagram story. Super easy. So yeah, that's about it. And I'll see you in the next video.